Hi all, today I'm going to show you
Got skip.
Hi all, today I'm going to show you my nail polish. This is collection. Okay, I have purple with pink from New Candy. Actually, got blue.
It's not hers.
Okay. Next I have light green from Kemi. Next I have white from Color. Next I have shiny from Sarah.
Glitter.
Yeah, glitter. Next I have black from Rulix. And the last one I have actually it's like a peach, but it is a orange actually. Okay, from Rulix also. So I will say the color: purple with pink, orange but it's like a peach, black, glitter, light green, okay, light green, and a white. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.